Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer smart lock access codes securely, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by preparing to transfer your smart lock access codes. Ensure both the sending and receiving devices are charged and connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Open the smart lock application on the device that currently holds the access codes. Navigate to the access codes or user management section in the app. Select the access codes you wish to transfer. Double-check that these codes are the correct ones you intend to share. Look for an option labeled Share or Transfer. Select the option to share the codes. The app may prompt you to enter a verification code for security purposes. Enter the verification code as instructed. Next, choose the method of sharing, such as email or a secure messaging app. If email is selected, input the recipient's email address carefully. Ensure the email message contains clear instructions for the recipient. If using a messaging app, select the appropriate contact to send the information to. Once the transfer method is chosen, initiate the sharing process. Wait for confirmation that the codes have been sent successfully. Notify the recipient to check their email or messaging app for the incoming codes. Ask the recipient to double-check their smart lock app for the new access codes. Instruct them to enter the received codes into their own smart lock application. Remind them to verify each code for proper functionality in their system. After confirming successful transfers, advise both parties to delete any sensitive information from their devices. Be sure to also change the original codes after confirming that the transfer was successful. This improves security and prevents any unauthorized access. Always maintain best practices for digital security when handling sensitive information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.